Hey guys, it's Liam here, back with another review. Today we're checking out the E-Yooso E1010 wireless mouse. And honestly, the only reason I picked this one up is because the E-Yooso X3 one I used before was absolutely amazing. So I wanted to see if the E1010 lives up to the same standard. Let's find out. The E-Yooso E1010 features a full-size ergonomic design built for comfort and long hours of use. It has a smooth, slightly contoured shape with a comfortable palm grip, making it suitable for both office tasks and everyday browsing. The build is mostly plastic, but it feels solid for the price. And yes, it still includes the handy forward and backward buttons for quick navigation. The E1010 comes with adjustable DPI levels ranging from 800 all the way up to 2400, and some models even support 4800 DPI, giving you flexibility whether you're doing precise design work or fast scrolling through long pages. Thanks to its 2.4 GHz wireless technology, the connection stays stable and lag-free up to around 10 meters, just like the X31. No drops, no delays, just smooth tracking. Just like the X31, the E1010 uses a single AA battery. The standout feature? A claimed battery life of up to 18 months, supported by an automatic sleep mode that kicks in after 8 minutes of inactivity. One click wakes it up instantly, so you won't waste any time. The E1010 is compatible with Windows, Chromebooks, Linux systems, Mac OS, with the usual note, side buttons may not work on Mac. Whether you're using a laptop, desktop, mini PC, or even a Surface device, this mouse plugs in and works right away. No drivers needed. Let's break down the pros and cons of the E1010. Pros: affordable price, great value for daily use. Adjustable DPI, smooth control for multiple tasks. Stable wireless connection, 10-meter range with no noticeable lag. Long battery life. Power-saving mode keeps it going for months. Comfortable design. Easy to use during long work sessions. Cons: no RGB or fancy lighting. Very plain if you want a flashy setup. Plastic build. Durable enough, but not premium. Side buttons on Mac. Same limitation as the X31. To wrap it up, the E-Yooso E1010 is a reliable, comfortable, and budget-friendly wireless mouse. And if you already like the X31, this one feels at home. It's great for office work, browsing, and even light gaming. For the price, it definitely holds its own. Well, for now, that's basically it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And I guess I'll see you in the next one. Bye!